Except Sibuyile, it's another video. Ntokozo.
Mzwandile.
Asina intro ngoba iyabhura. We are reacting to Smash or Pass face to face Durban, South Africa. North side worldwide. Asiyeke.
What's popping, gang? Welcome back to another video. You absolutely know what time it is. It's your boy Martini, and I'm here with
Scotty and Magadasi. So welcome back, Scotty crew. We are back again, lit with another lit video. And today we got a real life smash or pass. It's simple. The guy is gonna go to each an individual beautiful lady here and just says whether they'll smash or pass and vice versa. So let's not waste any time and let's get straight into it.
it's your boy Martini, and we out here, bro. We're about to fuck shit up today. I don't know what's in store, but let's see. Let's go. Damn. Shan, it's a smash.
Do you smash?
Hey, I'm a child of God. It's not a
Do you smash? It's a simple question.
The girls are nice, let's just say that.
They're nice, right?
Yeah, the girls are nice.
Okay. Whoever says they wouldn't smash someone,
Wow, but what if committed relationship?
you're homosexual.
Ngoba ngifuna ukukusmasha.
Well, these girls are nice, so if you...
Manje ngoba nice fanele ngikusmashe.
I mean, I'm not saying there's anything wrong with being gay, but...
Oh, so bafuna ukukusmasha gay. Is that your weapon?
Well, they're nice,
No,
so...
fuck it. Then get gay again. So that.
Trading dicks.
With your mouth open.
Let's play.
I got it.
She's very beautiful. The melanin is really, I fuck with melanin. I really like melanin, so yeah, you're pretty. I like the straight hair too, definitely. Yeah, demigod. Yes.
Her hair is curly.
I like the fit. You're very creative with your style. It's a smash. Respectfully. Respectfully.
High reason.
It's a smash. Automatic. I mean, bro. Oh my god. Cassie.
You better pass.
But they more or less have
They're the same.
the same type of girls, right?
Yeah, they're the same. Except the one next door. I don't know what's going on there. She looks like that guy from Wrong Turn.
Hey, the wrong
She
turn.
looks like the skinny guy from Wrong Turn.
I've never seen it.
The guy who makes noise.
Yeah.
You've never seen it? Guys, if you guys have seen Wrong Turn, the skinny guy who kills people, he looks like that chick, the next chick. The one with the blonde wig.
Umshele, doti, ukhohlwe.
Absolute smash. Nomsa.
Nomsa.
Nomsa is...
Damn. It's a smash. Respectfully. Respectfully.
She's pretty, but... Oh. Ilenkope zakhe, and... I think it's preference. It's preference.
I didn't answer it, but...
But she is pretty. She is pretty. She is a pretty girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then... Next door wakhe.
Hey, man, we'll get there.
Mother Africa.
Respectfully. Respectfully. Respectfully.
What difference does it make? That respectfully.
He's supposed to say respectfully if he says pious. Respectfully.
Even if nyapasa, why must it be respectful?
Well, because you're not trying to offend.
Yeah, but preference is offensive. Catch 22.
Okay. Fuck you, then.
Respectful. Fuck me.
Well, you're right, so fuck you.
Manje. Not.
Wait, why is she saying wow? Like she was not expecting her to get a smash. Like, look at how she's saying wow. She literally said wow. You like that? Like, you like that?
That's important,
Like, you like that? It's a slippery, like...
Respectfully. 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 Hello? How are you? I love those glasses. Yeah, I love the color I love the fit too.
Just get to it.
It's a smash, respectfully.
You can tip your kids, Jesus Christ, like a gangbang. So many niggas.
It's a pass, obviously. It's my sister. Good, you good? Yeah. Nah, this is my sister. Okay. It's cool. Yeah. We're cool.
Friend zone.
Friend zone. I would never, for the life of me, I will never understand guys who are friends with women. I will never understand. I'm sorry.
Women need love too.
Yeah, I can be in love with a woman, but
for your own opportunistic reasons.
No, but I just don't believe in being friends with women. Like, no. You think if she calls him up one night and be like, hey, bring some condoms, you think this light-skinned nigga won't go? He will go. I'm just saying, there's no such... Women and men cannot be friends.
They can.
They cannot.
As long as you're not attracted to each other, you can be friends.
So she has to be ugly. That's what you're saying.
Not ugly, just not attractive to you.
You mean ugly?
I never said ugly. I said if she's not.
Yeah, but everyone is attractive.
If she's
to
not your
someone,
type, if she's not your type, if you wouldn't go for her, doesn't mean she's ugly. It just means you wouldn't go for her.
Okay, I guess that's fair.
We're cool. Kitty cat.
What you
You're
know,
very
brother?
attractive. I won't lie. I'll fuck with the tats. I got tats too.
I'd marry her. I'd marry her. I think she's the most naturalistic looking one.
She's modest, yeah.
Yeah, she's modest. And even the way she's dressed, like... No, there's nothing wrong with tattoos.
I'm saying it's that wrong. I'm just saying it's not the most
I like the
modest
tattoos.
thing.
I like the tattoos.
She has nice tattoos.
I don't have tattoos, but I like the whole sleeve thing. Something I want to get also. That's why I'm saying that she's great. I like her. We keep her. We're giving her. It's that kind of thing.
It's a pass though.
Why is it a pass? Dude, this nigga is shady. He's shady. Everyone but her. Everyone but her. Everyone but her.
She does have a ring on her finger, so.
I need to know the reason too.
It would be a smash, but it's a pass though.
You don't have a dick.
Only because I don't know if everybody's seen, you know. Okay, I would say that. It's not.
Wait, does she have a penis? What's going on?
And I'm here for the vibes.
Mfazi wakho loyo. Uzobuya namadoda. Balafa ama-vibe. Did you say pass? Smash. Pass. Okay. Jesus Christ. What's the promise for?
Hi. It's a pause. I feel like you're too sweet and romantic. Yeah.
He's too sweet.
Wait, check the date inside the quarter since you just popped up.
Yeah, still good.
Hi. How are you?
Not by share that out. How you book?
Uyashalaza.
Cabanga umjithi uyashalaza ngapha uyaphoza. Lama out lawi. Ile no lezo mama. Ile no lezo mama.
Wendoda iphuuzile nje.
Awundoda. Makumla lento le la. Faka isiphandle. Siphume intweni.
Thankshawe sekutshala.
Pause.
You just look too young.
He looks too old.
It's a smash.
He looks like a Bible salesman.
At least it's fucking
This
Panjani
guy
and so
found me. This is an extension of the sauce, dog.
Oh, you. I'm good, thanks. It's a smash. You look like you have stamina. Okay.
Who's your father? Who could be this guy? Yes, yes. Who could be this guy?
That's-
Bad babako.
Okay, that's nice.
What is
nice.
that? You look like you have stamina. Oh, tata, bro, yeah, man. There was
Khumbulo
a
isithathu.
stamina.
Ngaleso sikhathi uthe uya esikolweni uzotshela amadoda
There was a
unestamina.
library.
But
It's a
the
computer
stamina-
lab. We tell about total stamina. There was a computer lab, past that.
I'd definitely smash you. Because you're a stoner and you got a nice butt. Anyway, I think you're really cute, so I'd probably smash you, but
She looks like the girl from Spy. Mkumbulo
Okay.
from Spy. She kind of looks like this girl.
like not, get back. I'm joking. I call it fashion. Well, I'm exceptionally astounded by you, so I would do it every single day with you.
Thesaurus.
PDL, Viva Loco. I would definitely smash you and give you some fellatio for that.
Dog, can you Google Ilento? Rate you know what, I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna get cancelled. I'm not gonna say it. I'm gonna say
And get some fellatio.
Google the rates.
Hey, when I guess me this way.
Ukhoza nje ufuna ukhoza. Ufuna ukhoza.
Uthi nuvaneja.
Ufuna nje ukhoza. Akazi nokuthi is stupid.
No, I don't care if he said that, right? You think Canada ukuthi why go here specifically? Ukuthi oh, when you kufanele.
Cabanga nje.
You look like you know it.
Hey, kodwa hey.
Hayi, kodwa.
Yeah, I would definitely smash you, I guess.
Lo ngathi uzobashaya. Ngathi uzobashaya lo. Mabe ngathi nje pass ngathi.
She's nice though.
Yeah, muhle vele. Ngathi uzobashaya.
T. Yeah, you come as a pair. Ooh.
It's bad luck to separate twins.
Nah, the one ogcinile lapha.
Oh, nkosikazi wakho uthini?
Ufuna yabamba yedwa.
Ngubani?
Bamehlisela isithunzi. Lo sethi zokwakhe nje umehlisela isidima. Makasuke nje adlale kude. Aye kusisi. Aye kidushu.
Threesome. No. Alright, yeah, definitely. Yeah. As long as you guys are attracted to each other.
We do. As it's Demi, aka Demi Don J. My Instagram handle is Demi_Donj. Stay tuned for more things. Well,
That's not fair.
shit. Well, fuck. Okay. I'm gonna say pass. Only because you don't. Only because.
You don't know what astounding
don't
means.
seem like my type. Oh. Okay, sorry. Thanks, man. Sorry, Tion. But like, I mean, smash. Just like, yeah. You got reasons.
Shit. Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy.
I like your style. Like, I love your t-shirt. But like pasta.
This guy's defeated.
Like you're really gorgeous. I smash. You're really sweet, and I love that. But like,
Have you
nice
noticed
guys
something there?
finished last. Sorry.
You gotta put.
Bonke la mouth ahlule eye contact. Bonke bayashana.
Bayaqala ukubona amadushu. Bayaqala ukubona amakhaladi.
Hayi,
Baphuma emlazi. Abafana basemlazi lapho ngiyabazi.
bonke
Lo
bayashana.
gcina la
Omunye uminqile lapho yabo.
Lo gcina uphuma
Noma
enquthu.
aphefula kahle.
kaze libone ikhaladi since awuyi.
Ngaphefula kahle uzowa. Asel kangaka ukuthi afade. Hayi jenza ngeke.
Dress as a man, dog.
And you?
U-aunt. Dlula aunt. Dlula aunt.
I'm sorry. Pass. You're really cool. I like your vibe.
Thandi idakwa lo. Not that I'm saying this guy is idakwa, but not thandi idakwa. Just saying. I'm just saying. No one just says I like your vibes. What the hell does that mean? Is it personality? Is it physical? Or what is it? Just say.
I'd smash. Yeah, man. I'd smash. I'd consider it.
This is an extension of the sauce, dog.
Do these niggas get head
You're also really cool.
after this?
Yeah, like, I'd pass them.
Why him?
It's Lindo here. You love Lindo on Insta and yeah, fuck shit up. I respectfully
Pasa bonke. Thola isidima sakho. Phasa bonke.
Yeah, smash you. You look sweet.
Stop it.
She's like, stop it. That was nice.
Automatic smash.
Okay.
I don't even have to say anything. You too. Hey, you look like you'd overpower me. I'm also.
Ngitshela ukuthi uzowashaya ngitheni. Ngitshela ukuthi uzowashaya.
You.
Thola
Respectfully smash.
thola isibhaqo.
Yeah. I like the tattoos though. No, I like the tattoos. But pause.
She has nice tattoos though.
Guys, it's your girl Cassie, also known as Cassie Nadia on Instagram, and we have a good time. Hi. I'm good, how are you?
What did you say her name was? Cassie.
I'm good. You're a cool guy. I like that you're a stoner, but I have to pass. Respectfully.
Ubustona bungena
Bayazwana
phezulu
bayazwana ngensango. Endoda bayazwana ngensango. Hayi.
Hi.
Yikho lelizwe linje.
You're cool, but I'll have to pass on that one. Sorry.
Oh.
Hi. You're cool, you're cute. Smash. You're cool, but I'll have to pass on that one. I'm sorry. Hi.
Oh my god, this is so sad.
Cute. Not smash. I'd have to pass.
No confidence, is it?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, your baby face. I'd have to pass. I'd have to pass.
Okay, whoever edited this video, you deserve some credit.
No, let's just comment.
Well, just the way he incorporated everything else, like, oh.
I'm not gonna move no, it's just
No, I'm just saying, whoever edited it,
you'll see what I mean.
they have good taste. Okay, fine.
No, I'm just saying.
I just gave you a W, you turned it to an
See what
L.
I mean.
OV.
Fine.
I like your style.
I just give you a W, you turn it to an L.
OV.
You're cool as a whole.
Yo, I'm dry. Hey.
Chill, you know? Oh, you're cool as a whole.
My God. Yeah, he got it back. He got it back.
Yeah, he got it back. He got it back.
This guy is handsome. I won't lie, he's handsome. Well, in a good way, I'm just saying.
So when I make fun of it, I'm a
Wait, is there anything wrong with me complimenting a guy?
I'm John X. What I'm saying, moving now, we want 20 chance out because I ain't kidding. Pauline.
John X.
Why Pauline?
Okay, fine. Fuck you.
Pauline.
Smash is more than just a smash.
Why
Smash
Pauline?
is about the experience. It's about the experience. Unlike the mushroom man. Smash is more than just a smash. Smash is about the experience. Good once in a while, right? Only got good ratings so far. So I mean, if nobody else, and I know none of you up until this point physically. So you've been missing out. If nobody else, I feel like that's a disservice up until this point physically. So.
Check mine to pause. Okay, I'm not gonna follow that girl. I'm gonna follow this guy.
Okay, I'm not gonna follow that girl. I'm gonna follow this guy.
Oh, thank you. Wait.
AKA Kitty Cat.
Asimbuke,
Kitty cat.
See you later.
Kearney. Oh, nangu unqunu. Mbona ngeyi-profile picture uthi unqunu.
Oh, bakini.
Oh, muhle shame ndoda. Uzunezinqe dade. Akufani. Akodwa muhle shame lo sisi.
Why were ngamdala la?
Ungabuza into eningi man. Ungabuza into eningi. Usubuza kakhulu.
9,000.
Ubuzile.
Alright, yeah, sharp.
Nangu. Wait.
They must be follow. Alright, yeah, sharp. Son.
Okay.
Yeah.
Son.
Okay.
Because it's like, looks like a free. Like,
What the fuck does that even mean?
you know, I have to say,
What the fuck does that even mean?
You know when your self-esteem has been defeated.
Cool. Why don't you go home? What? So can I be defeated? So can I mean what?
Nah, I don't like the way they're treating this guy, dog.
No, let's go. Which are about to keep going.
So can I mean what? Nah, I don't like the way they're treating this guy.
No, let's go. Which are about to keep going.
Maybe he's looking at this nigga like, if they can say pass to him, what the fuck am I?
Maybe he's looking at
Wait, kala ngamehlo,
they
dad.
can say pass to him. What the fuck is he? Wait, kala ngamehlo, dad.
The guy who edited this video, you have to give him some credit. You have to give him some
Sharp,
credit.
yeah, sharp.
The guy who edited this
I
video,
feel
you
like
have to give him
this
some
goes
credit.
because of
Look.
fire.
Okay, sharp.
It's half. No, but also just like, I feel like this goes just because of fire. You know, it's half. We know why. No, but also just you, I'm gonna say smash, just because I feel like I should have given you a better chance earlier. And I like his style.
It's the sauce.
Because I feel like I should have given you a better chance earlier. And I like his style. You're hot.
This is an extension.
You're hot. Yeah.
Yo, what's up? I'm Lulu. Durban Owez.
Smash.
This is going to be very interesting.
Alright, it's Lulu. I'm here. And I'm here to
This is
deal
going to
with
be
the
very
competition,
interesting.
and they know they're gonna lose. Hi, it's Lulu. I'm here. I'd say smash because I feel like, you're quiet, but somewhere else you'd be loud. I'd say smash.
She likes weed,
I feel like, you're quiet.
so she would be loud. Weed is loud.
I'd say smash, even though you hate me. I feel like that hate is useful somewhere else. I'd say smash.
I feel confident, don't pass them.
That hate could be useful somewhere else.
I feel confident, don't pass them.
No reason.
And I feel like since both of you guys have like different kind of hair, I feel like we'd all go crazy.
No reason.
And I feel like since both of you guys have like different colored hair, yeah, I feel like we'd all go crazy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I'd smash. Okay. So, yeah, but I'd smash.
Ubone regrets. Ingayenzeki.
You're a vibe. I like the vibe. So yeah, but I'd smash.
Light skin nigga.
It's the same reason. You're a vibe. I feel like
Why? Okay, what's the reason?
No, it's hard, you know.
What's the reason? I get it with that guy. Oh.
Why? Okay, what's the reason?
Yeah, but they're not permanent though.
I get it with
Yeah, but you're like that now.
No, but they're not
I
permanent.
actually contract good to young babies are in the future.
No, but okay.
Phela namhlanje udle next week. Never.
Okay, they're unfair.
Okay.
They're fucking unfair.
Okay, I'm gonna have to pause. Yeah. Okay, pause. Definitely.
Why definitely? Other people are giving them rave reviews and then they're now to definitely pass.
What definitely?
Jesus.
Other people are giving them rave reviews and then you know it's definitely.
Because, you know, you're my bro, you know, so, you know the vibes. Like, yeah. Because, pause. So you're my bro, you know, so, you know the vibes. Like, yeah. Like, it's smash, you know, pause. So pause. Yeah.
What's up, guys? Your boy Mfunga on Instagram.
Hey, magabalai. Magabalai.
What's our opinion? Which man does not want a woman who's calm? That's a dumb reason. Akasho ukuthi nje akamfuni ngoba bamgabhile. Akakhulumi nonsense.
No,
You're too calm.
akufuneka eza ama reason. Kufuneka nje ahluphe.
Bekubela kayindawo abestand. Athi ndanazuda.
Nonke.
What for that? You're too calm. What the fuck does that mean?
Kufuneka athi nonke.
What for that? You're too calm.
Uyalo. Ufuna ukulwa. Ufuna ukulwa.
But yeah, smash. You know, she's wet slides right now. But yeah, I'm a part respectfully of my member over there. I'm obsessed because doing wet slides right now. I'm a part respectfully of my member over there.
She looks so different without them.
Ayo, what's poppin' was Gucci, yeah. Girl, lime, dime, and you know what's up. I'm just gonna stand right here and pass. We out.
Sure.
Yeah. I'm just gonna pass you guys. I'm just gonna stand right here and pass. No explanation, but I'm gonna pass. And that's what I gotta say. Yeah, I'm just gonna pass you guys, okay?
I guess whatever
No
that
explanation,
was.
but I'm gonna pass. And that's what I gotta say.
I guess whatever that was.
Yeah, hey, how you doing? I'm definitely smashing because of just sex appeal. Montabella. Yeah, hey, how you doing? I'm definitely smashing because of just sex appeal. Montabella.
Umuntu owagqokile uthi innocent.
I get what you mean.
Umuntu owagqokile uthi innocent.
Oh, okay. Ngifuna ukufa.
So I don't need crazy.
I'm gonna have to pass only because I think it will smash corners of fun. So I don't need craziness, so pass. Yeah.
Would you have really dreamy eyes? I don't want to cap, but I'd pass. Pass. Big. I'd smash. Pass. You look like
I'd wanna go on dinner dates with you and, you know, have like a one-on-one conversation with you. But
that's almost
I
the
don't
pause.
know. Pause.
Oh, my light skin nigga.
Pause. I'm sorry. Pause.
Did you just say?
I love
Okay.
that you have this. I love guys with that. So let's smash.
Have what? What does he have? The guy down the line has like a full ass beard. What's going on?
What is up? It's your boy Scotty M. Follow me on IG, Tabo Mazibuga 10. And honestly, there ain't no competition here, so let's just get straight into it. Alright.
He has an iPhone. Call the number.
Pass, respectfully. Not on some petty shit. Just. I ain't gonna lie, you fine. I feel like you know you fine. You pass me. I'm not petty, so yeah, I'm petty. Pass. Okay, pass respectfully. So pass, so so you. I ain't gonna lie, I'll smash shit. My whole stack. Thank you.
Yeah, I think this is it. I don't know the guys, so I don't know who's first and who's last. So I don't know.
Who had the most? Who had the most?
I don't know any of their names. It's Shan, Cassie, Nomsa.
So Gumantumbazana, Shen had the most.
Yeah. With the guys, it's Martini and Vanity.
The Panama Specs, the thick one. What's her name?
I don't know her. Angmas.
How much is that? Yo, two. First Shen, Cassie. Aye, alright, sure. Aye.
I don't know. You see, with this thing, you know what I would do? I would pass every hot girl
And smash the.
and then smash to the ugly ones. Give them the confidence.
Yes. Because the world needs to be a better place.
What do you mean?
No, boost the confidence and place. Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, abanye ubehlisa kancane.
The hottest one, pass.
Awumfuni
The
nokumfuna.
one who's not, and then the least, smash.
Yeah.
There's a maitimi camera. Kuphuma 2 colors.
Socela amanamba.
Udaba kulalela bantu, bekudlala.
Lalela. Umnika kanje. Yeah,
Watch out.
guys, this
Was a smash or pass.
yeah, smash or pass,
Smash or
face to
pass,
face.
Reaction, Bassett Devin. Might go to Durban.
Yeah, it's
Just
me.
to see the ocean.
Yeah, I guess this is us ending this. Is it an episode or what? Video.
Video, Baba.
Yeah, this is us ending this video. Me and the bad friend. Okay, cool.